Yo, this is Tony Balls. As y'all about to see, about to spit y'all a quick couple balls right quick. Yo, in life my A drop into F and God still test me. Better get on your lyrical shit when I come with the skills and spit every syllable quick and handle my technique. And lately I've been dealing with a lot of shit that stress me. Hey, he quit school, now he's walking around like the shit's cool. Probably smoking weed, toting piss stools. Rumors always get spreaded by lies indeed. Neither do people know they feed me the fire I need. Sick of the stories. Bitches doubt me and Jamori. Honestly, it annoys me. I don't get it, but I won't let it destroy me. Whoa, take a breather. If life was really a slut that sucked dick, I'd belt my common lever. I'm pissed off like you just bought a new pair of shoes and I stepped on your toes. I stole Wiz Khalifa's flowers and left them a rose. It's about the time I get about serious with it. If Tony Bars can spit, no other MC deserves saliva in their mouth, period, bitches. Really don't care about the swag, so excuse me if I'm out of fashion. My anger I'm using out of passion. You can say one lie in hip-hop and everybody believe you. I'm not here to talk about ice grills and nice rims to deceive you. Some say I act like a new me, and if that's what have you, pretend to be friends, feel it's a fact, and act like you never knew me. Looking at this, you seek embarrassment. I spit on your ass faster than a person with a speech impediment. You ugly as fuck when you barely have a ride to the store. But with 10 sets of bitch, you find as fucking the eyes of baby whore. I killed MCs without a war. Proves my pen been mightier than the sword. Speaking of sword, subliminal shots of Lamont ammo. On the Scourgeonator, the straw hater, Terminator. So fuck a Rambo. Punchlines are meant to break chins. Crunch time feel like I got the strength of 8 men. Respect us. I'm coming at you from the neck up. Microphone checker. Choke your ass until you pass like when you break wind. Half of y'all ain't even worth being called competitors. I don't care if you Christian. You pray when you cross this predator. Cohen Warrior. I got the dopest lines, but Lizzie Lohan snorted them. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, sometimes I feel like crying. White bitch that's not satisfied with her hair color. Sometimes I feel like dying. Get pissed enough to rip a mob apart. You don't know me, then don't approach me, cause that's when the problem starts. I'm trying to put the fattest smile on my mother's face. Understand me, a Grammy, or Oscar, get to that point where I can always put red lobster on my brother's plate. I'm telling you, wax, it's dinner time. If hip-hop had a back, I crack it while I'm bending rhymes. Speak exactly how I feel and never pretend to learn. Pressure on MCs like pythons, nice rhymes, you dig it? If your boss was ill, then I got aged during a lifetime sentence. You being more skilled than me is a sight I want to see, like a noodle leash dropping the keys, try to dog me, so I tick and pop some of your fleas. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to be the person I think about when I'm seeing. Yo, it's already the death of hip-hop, so mute it. I know you already suck, but these garbage-ass artists getting paid for prostituting. Raw shit that I have John Cena choking out. Ear raps, I still snap with half of my fingers broken. Doubt me again, the halo falls down. I grow horns and frown, and that's when the demons woken. I got the hunger to steal from a man sitting on the corner. I wouldn't care if he's piss poor. If Lil Wayne's the best rapper ever, then what the fuck did Nas, Pac, and Eminem even exist for? You a false artificial, and I see visions when I express the depression cause I'm artificial. Zooming in your car, you a whack rap star, now you think about it. If y'all ain't catch that line, think about it. Don't compare the simple minds to hip-hop's heavyweighted. These goats are underrated and mostly educated. I remain a lyricist until your swag's gone. Talent comes from those that struggle before, not the clothes you have on. So I highly expose those who claim to be cold and reposing the book you brag on. I don't care about the cash you stack. Riding the beat with cheese and minds rap the rhythm, but doing the acapella proves you trash and whack. Used to be about the skills and the lyricists, now it's meals and appearances. Got shot straight to the top cause they signed deals with pyramids. Shoot a rocket launcher to the sky, watch your favorite fly guy drop. Take the world by storm cause Tony spelled backwards, it's why not. I'm right when I want to speak, or speak when I want to write. Feel like a voodoo doll. Magicians put needles in my eyesight. Sitting in a dark room, similar to a shark or whale. Hell hit me in the heart with harpoons. I'm sick of this life. I wish life was animated, but this life isn't a cartoon. But I know that ball soon will be hanging with stars from moons. I guess they wanted to hurt me, murk me, with me screaming, bleeding, and stumbling. They didn't show me no love, so when it's time to spit a verse, mercy, none of it. It's funny when you don't have jack shit, but with stacks they grab dicks, you smash quick and let you bash clicks, you go digging bastards. furious, hungrier than the stomach of Rick Ross, nigga. You can bet I've been a threat that battles himself and lost, nigga. TV is filled with corny-ass lyricists and false givers, but you can prove anything as long as you keep a cross with you. I'm having thoughts while I rip mics and toss livers. A portrait of three, hope my father received a lost picture. And who would ever know it, that I was growing to be a serious and furious poet and belly short. You can sleep with him, Freddie, and nap time is over. Angry I get, the more the rap lines is colder. Fuck it, born and cursed. Suffered more than worse. I take my issues and stuff it on the verse. I told myself I was gonna keep fighting. Don't quit, gonna spit and keep writing. Godson, don't matter, I fear none. Skip to another world, more shit matters in my eardrums. Motherfuckers is whacking. When you rap, I shake my head, means you making it pour. Open my mouth and black out, I don't see faces no more. Ill sick, sadistic, shit is twisted. Doubt me, half you fags and hoes can ripstick on a raggedy dick you get hit with. I was an angel until my neck started spinning and my heart went straight down in the tar pit. Never thought I put the dark image. Tony Balls is blessed, that's my name, I repeat it. You can tell by the bottom of your shoes I'm winning because I remain undefeated. The artists in the game doing the same, deceiving the weaker minds of people not aware that they're being cheated. Satan wants me afraid with fear and so shook. My pen is crying. Hope you can hear his tears in the notebook. The vision in my eyes is what you have to see. I'm a catastrophe, defy spitting disaster be. Every rapper gonna have to feel the wrath of me. Feed you the flow, you'll throw up your last lunch. You ass much niggas ain't fucking with it like taking a whiff of a bad cunt. YMCMB, alphabetic, so pathetic, such a sad bunch. Your favorite rappers threw it, threw out a toothpick and tell his fans I had bunch. I change wage on Stern's days. One level I'm alive, next 5 minutes I die. Guess how this game's made. A couple balls for y'all. Now I'm finna light up a cigarette. I'm done. Tony Balls, nigga. Pray for me.